Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're going to do the unboxing of the latest budget smartphone from Xiaomi in India, the Xiaomi Redmi 9 Prime. So this is the latest device under the 9 series. So we had the Redmi Note 9 Pro, the Pro Max, Redmi Note 9, and now we have the Redmi 9 Prime. So again, this comes with a pretty good hardware. So again, this device comes with pretty good hardware. It has the Helio G80 octa-core processor, 4GB RAM and 5020 mAh capacity battery, and here we have a full HD resolution display. That's something which is good, and it has a quad rear cameras as well. So this is the box package. We have the green variant of the device. You can see the Redmi 9 Prime, and on the back of the box we have the specifications mentioned. MediaTek Helio G80 13 megapixel AI quad camera, ultra wide angle camera and a macro lens, and you can see that 8 megapixel selfie camera is also included, IR blaster, TUV Rhineland low blue light certification, dual volt TV with voice over Wi-Fi, 3D curved black 2.5D Gorilla Glass, and we have Type-C charging, and face unlock is also included here. Now we have the 4GB RAM and 128GB storage variant. The 64GB storage is priced 9,999 and this variant is priced 11,999. So let's get started with unboxing. So first let's quickly open the box. So there you go, you can see the box, and we have a small box mentioned here. So this has the case as usual. You can see that it comes with a TPU case, pretty good quality TPU case, and we have the information here. So it has a triple SIM card slot, and I have a dedicated SD card slot. You have the SAR value, and head SAR is 0.854, body SAR is 0.417. that's the SAR value in case you are interested. Then you get the device. So let's just take this device. We'll keep this aside for a minute. We'll see what else comes inside. So you get the standard charger. This is the USB Type-C charging and data syncing cable, and you also get an adapter, and this is the charger. So this is a 5V 2A charger. While the device supports 18W charging, you can buy additional charger and charge the device rapidly, but the bundle charger is a 10W charger. So that's all inside the box. Now let's have a look at the device. So now we have booted the device. So you can see this is a full HD resolution display. We have the U notch or water drop notch here. It has an 8 megapixel selfie camera, and the display seems pretty good. You can see that for the price segment it is being offered, it's a full HD resolution display, and it feels quite smooth, and this is also protected by Corning Gorilla Glass, so that also is included. And you can see that the bezels are also kept to minimal. You can see that the bottom bezels are quite okay for the price segment. We have the power and volume keys on the right side. The left side houses the SIM tray. Again, this is a triple slot, and the top has the IR blaster, and the bottom section has the 3.5mm body jack, the USB Type-C port and the speaker unit, and the back panel has the quad camera setup. So there you go, you can see that this is the primary 13 megapixel camera. We have an 8 megapixel ultra wide angle camera, and then we have a depth sensor, and also you get the fingerprint sensor, and the macro lens is also included along with LED flash is included. So that's the camera setup. So we have the Redmi branding as well. Now you can see that there is a pattern on the back panel. You can see that there is a pattern which feels pretty good. It's kind of a good grip to the device, and you can also see the circular pattern which feels quite similar to the Redmi K30 series or the Poco X2 series. And we have the pattern here. It's not a glass build, this is a plastic or rather polycarbonate build, and you can see the patterns here. So the build quality definitely feels quite good, and we have the green variant. Now let's have a look at the software. Now this is having the Android 10, and we have the MIUI 12. So in fact MIUI 11, and you can see that this has 4GB RAM and 120GB storage, and you get all the features you generally see on the Mi device, including additional support. So you can see here quick ball, then one-handed mode, enterprise mode, all lot of features are included on this device. So that's the UI aspect. Now let's have a look at the camera. So we have a quad camera setup. So we have primary 13 megapixel camera. You also get a video recording at 1080p resolution. So we'll be doing the detailed camera review later, so stay tuned for that. So here are some camera samples we are taken with this device after unboxing the device. So stay tuned for our detailed camera review which is coming up soon. The phone also comes with a 5020 mAh capacity battery, and as I said before, it supports 18W charging, although the box charger is around 10W charger. So this device will be available for a price starting at 9,999 for the base variant and 11,999 for the 128GB storage variant. So that is unboxing and hands-on with the Redmi 9 Prime. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit the subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.